That's it. Yeah, two more, 3 more. Another one's hit. You got Rex behind you. Yo, another one's hit.
How the fuck do we have people behind? Where's that MG?
Okay, good. There we go. Copy, go. Another one's hit! Yeah. I'm gonna get a smoke up on our left side. Go ahead. See him? Someone's hit. Copy, copy.
I'm running wall, man.
Hit behind our tree. I got another one towards our spawn. Another one hit! Another 2 hit! 3 hit! There's 3 hit, no! Montage is going crazy today.
Jesus Christ! We're getting so many clips!
Clip 'em!